Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing your voice platform and configuring audio. This ensures clear comms from the first round. Once done, set your microphone input and speaker output levels and decide push-to-talk versus voice-activated mode so background noise won't betray you. Next, join the lobby channel tied to your Among Us group. This syncs timing and reduces confusion. Make sure everyone confirms audio, otherwise early rounds turn into guesswork, and that ruins the flow of information. Once connected, adjust Among Us and app volumes so voices stand out over game sounds. You need to hear calls during tasks and meetings. Make quick decisions about muting rules. Typically mute during gameplay and unmute for meetings, then enforce with the host if needed. Also agree on emergency meeting etiquette, who speaks first, and timing, because structure prevents chaos. Finally, test cross-platform audio between phones and PCs, so everyone has consistent volume and latency. You finish setup by running a short practice round to confirm latency and clarity. Brief tests catch echo or delay issues before competitive play. If lag appears, lower voice bitrate, switch to a wired connection or close bandwidth-heavy apps. These fixes reduce packet delay. When a player disconnects, have a backup text channel or quick rejoin plan so games resume smoothly. One key tip: if echo persists, ask players to mute monitors and enable push-to-talk. It fixes most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.